Are you tired of maxing out credit cards, overdue loans, and suffocating interest rates? Perhaps your credit rating is making you cringe and you need help repairing it. Well, we've got you covered. The consumer protections allow you to access your credit score, and we help you understand the rights and use them to help you have a fair and accurate credit report. With our extensive experience in helping our customers repair their bad credit, you can be sure of nothing but the best with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Even if your credit is less than perfect, we'll help you get back on track without breaking the bank. Don't wait another minute. Contact us today for a free credit repair consultation.